Welcome to the video on an introduction to forensic science. So, what is forensic science? Forensic science is the application of science to those criminal and civil laws that are enforced by police agencies in a criminal justice system. And forensic science is a branch of applied science which is often called as criminalistics. Forensic science applies to the field of chemistry, biology, physics, geology, all within the two civil and criminal laws. It places physical evidence into a professional discipline. The development of forensic science. The development of forensic science go through some of the eminent personalities. First of them are Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, who has popularized physical detection methods in a crime scene, and he has developed the character Sherlock Holmes. Second personality is MATHIEU ORFILA, who is from 1787 to 1853. He is the father of forensic toxicology, and he has published his treatise on detection of poisons and their effects on animals in 1814. Alphonse Bertillon, 1853 to 1914. He was the father of criminal detection. He has devised the first scientific system of personal identification using body measurements known as anthropometry in 1879. Francis Galton, 1822 to 1911. He has conducted the first definitive study of fingerprints and their classification. He has published a work titled Fingerprints in 1892. Leon LATTES, 1887 to 1954. Devised a simple procedure for determining the blood type, which is of A, B, O or AB group of a dried blood stain. Calvin Goddard, 1891 to 1955. He has used a comparison microscope to determine if a bullet was fired from a specified gun. He has published the study of tool marks on bullets. Albert S. Osborn, 1858 to 1946. He has developed fundamental principles of document examination. His famous work, Question Documents, published in 1910. He was responsible for the acceptance of documents as scientific evidence by the courts. EDMOND LOCARD, 1877 to 1966. He has demonstrated how the principles developed by Hans Gross could be incorporated into a workable crime lab. LOCARD's exchange principle is a famous principle which states that once contact is made between two surfaces, a transfer of materials will occur. The functions of the forensic scientist. The main function of a forensic scientist is the analysis of physical evidence. The forensic scientist must be skilled in applying the principles and techniques of the physical and natural sciences in order to identify the many types of evidence that may be recovered during crime investigations. And he has to have expert witness. An expert witness possesses a particular skill or has knowledge in a trade or profession that will aid the court in determining the truth. Training in proper recognition, collection and preservation of evidence is required so that the forensic pathologist, as the medical examiner or coroner, can determine the cause of death via an autopsy. Death can be classified into 5 different categories: natural death, homicide, suicide, accident or undetermined manner of death. The cause of death can often be determined by performing an autopsy. This process is known as forensic pathology. Forensic analysis. The forensic analysis can include organic and inorganic analytical techniques. Organic analysis of unknown substances. It includes analytical techniques such as chromatography, UV visible and infrared spectrophotometry, and mass spectrometry. Inorganic analysis includes techniques such as the emission spectrum of elements, atomic absorption spectrophotometry, neutron activation analysis, and X-ray diffraction analysis. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for updates. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.